I'm Catherine Barrett with Rusty Bowman of Bowman Law Firm, talking dollars and cents everyone can use. Today, stopping vehicle repossession. Welcome, Rusty.
Thank you, Catherine. It's very good to be here.
Rusty, every day good people are losing their cars or trucks to repossession, sometimes because they missed just one payment. So you can't get to work, you can't go out and look for work. What do you do?
Well, the consequence that you just outlined is devastating. The first step is to talk to an expert bankruptcy lawyer. Bankruptcy can offer options that stop repossession.
And bankruptcy law is your firm's specialty.
Yes, it is. Bankruptcy is our specialty. Bankruptcy can offer the option of stopping the repossession. If the lender has turned the car off using a LoJack system, the car can be turned back on. If the car has been repossessed, the car can be returned. Most importantly, there are many options under bankruptcy, even the concept of reducing the payment and the interest rate.
And one of the options here is, or the option, is a free consultation.
Yes, our law firm offers a free consultation with one of our 17, or often more of our 17 bankruptcy lawyers, and offering you the opportunity of staying alive in these difficult times.
And it's a difficult process. Sometimes you don't know when to start it, but putting it off certainly is not a good idea.
Yes, a free consultation often can be completed during one day. The paperwork can be filed, the car can be returned, all in one day.
Tough subject, but thank you very much, Rusty. If you'd like more information on how to keep your ride, call Bowman Law offices with locations in Virginia Beach, Hampton, and Richmond. Call for a free consultation that Rusty mentioned with one of their 17 lawyers. I'm Catherine Barrett with Rusty Bowman of Bowman Law Firm, talking dollars and cents everyone can use. If you're facing overwhelming debt and want the best possible legal representation at the lowest cost, stay with us. Thanks for joining us, Rusty.
Thank you, Catherine. It's wonderful to be here.
You know, as you and I know, a lot of people are facing insurmountable medical bills. They've lost their job. Maybe support payments aren't coming in. What do they do?
There are very good options under federal bankruptcy law. And we will file a bankruptcy, a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, for an individual for $798 or for a married couple for $898.
In the legal world, that's not a lot of money. Why such a low fee?
We want to encourage people to come in and to visit with us and get good information. We know people don't have any money, and that's one of the driving forces about bankruptcy.
Well, you might think lower cost, lower level of service, and I know you wouldn't do that.
Absolutely not. Everyone who comes through the door gets exactly the same level of respect and consideration. It's very important for us to offer them a free consultation with one or more of our 17 expert lawyers, where we have the opportunity to advise them of all of their bankruptcy options. If a bankruptcy is necessary, we will file the case for them, often in the same day, represent them in court and in every challenge throughout the process. Be there by email, be there by telephone, help them every step.
Because it's a difficult time.
It's a very difficult time.
Thanks so much, Rusty. If you're facing overwhelming debt from medical bills, divorce, or job loss, call Bowman Law. Their offices are in Virginia Beach, Hampton, and Richmond. Get a free consultation with an experienced lawyer. I'm Catherine Barrett with Rusty Bowman of Bowman Law Firm, talking dollars and cents everyone can use. Today, problems with the IRS or state tax department. Welcome, Rusty.
Thank you, Catherine. Wonderful to be here.
You know, people can quickly get into trouble with taxes, especially in this economy, and the IRS or state can file liens. They can take money from bank accounts, even take your paycheck. If you're in that situation, what do you do?
Catherine, Most people are frightened to death the moment they receive a lien, a levy, or anything that seizes money from you. It's important to take action immediately, and we can help.
Because you know tax problems aren't going to go away.
Tax problems are not going away. That's the very bad news. Many of them will never go away for your entire life. The good news is we can help. We have tax resolution experts who will give you a free appointment, an opportunity to understand the options that you have.
And who works with the IRS?
We work with the IRS. You make an appointment with us, you visit with our tax resolution experts, our tax lawyers, and we then help you come up with an action plan for the IRS.
Okay, so Bowman Law will provide a free consultation with a tax attorney, recommend an action plan, and deal directly with the IRS. Any final words?
The final words are, think about this early, think about this often, and take action, because it's critical that you move forward. Do not lose your rights.
Thanks so much, Rusty. There are Bowman Law offices in Virginia Beach, Hampton, and Richmond. There are legal solutions to your tax problems, and Bowman Law will help. I'm Catherine Barrett with Rusty Bowman of Bowman Law Firm, talking dollars and cents everyone can use. Today, what you can do if you've received a home foreclosure notice. Welcome, Rusty.
Catherine, it's wonderful to be here.
You know, the fallout from the mortgage crisis continues in our area. Good people are still getting foreclosure notices. What do they do?
The very good news is foreclosure can be stopped. Foreclosure can be stopped for certain through federal bankruptcy. There are many other misleading options out there. People will say you can do it with a loan modification. They'll tell you all kinds of things. It's simply not true. Bankruptcy law offers the option of stopping the foreclosure for sure.
Bankruptcy may not be everyone's first choice, but you say it may be the best choice.
Bankruptcy is not an option that you should take lightly. It's a very difficult course. There are two essential types of bankruptcy. There's Chapter 13, where you can repay up to 5 years the amount of arrearage that you have on the home. There's Chapter 7, where you can have a reasonable period of time to sort of take a breather and find a new place to live.
Who do you talk to know which option is best?
The most important thing is to talk to a bankruptcy specialist. Bowman Law Firm specializes in consumer bankruptcy. Talk to one of our 17 lawyers who can give you a free consultation to talk with you about all of your bankruptcy options. We can stop foreclosure with bankruptcy.
Thanks, Rusty. Great information. If you've received a foreclosure notice, call Bowman Law in Virginia Beach, Hampton, or Richmond and stop the foreclosure today.